Hey guys, welcome back. If you're new here, my name is Smitha. Welcome to my channel. So, as we all know, the new trend on the red carpet is to keep it really simple and classy and elegant without any bright colors. So you wear something very neutral, almost like a no makeup red carpet look. Very polished and put together. And that's exactly what I'll be showing you today, so you can do it as well. And of course, I'm going to be doing a giveaway with this video as well. I'm doing giveaways throughout the month. What I'm giving away is seen at the end of this video, and somewhere in the video I'll be asking you a question which you have to answer, and all the rules and everything that you need to know about the giveaway is in the description box below. Good luck everybody, but for now let's get started on this tutorial. I'm going to start with some skincare. First, I'm using the lemon lippy scrub from Colourpop to exfoliate my lips, and then I'm going to be using a lip balm from Wet n Wild. And to moisturize, I'm using Aveeno. Now, skincare is extremely important before you do any kind of makeup, especially simple makeup, because you can see through the makeup, you can see your skin. So if it's nice inside, it's nice on the outside. Most of the time, when someone says your makeup looks good, it's because the skin is good. For primer, I'm going to be using a spray. This is the Rose Prep Prime and Set from Wet n Wild. And once I feel my skin is tacky enough, I'm ready for the foundation. I wanted to use something that's fresh and dewy today, and for that reason, I'm using Dewy Plus Smooth. This is the Maybelline Fit Me in the shade 220. And to further make it a little bit more dewy, I'm going to mix it with some face oil. This is the 4th Ray Glow Up Face Oil from Colourpop. I'm going to add just a couple drops, mix it together, and blend it on my face using this beauty sponge from Amazing Cosmetics. This foundation gives you a light to medium buildable coverage. It's not a full coverage foundation, which is kind of nice. It's the kind of foundation that wants to show a little bit of your skin, so it looks more natural. Also, the one that I'm using is Dewy Plus Smooth, perfect for dry skin. But Fit Me also has a matte plus poreless, that's for oily skin. So depending on your skin type, you either go for dewy or matte. For a very light contour, just to add some dimension, I'm using the Wet n Wild Contour Stick in Call Me Maple. This is a cream contour. And then I'm going to be blending it out with the same beauty sponge that I use for my foundation, because there's going to be some residue of foundation sitting on the sponge. That'll mix with the contour and give you a more natural blend. And I'm going to be contouring in the usual areas like the hollows of my cheekbones, my jawline, just to give it some structure, my forehead just to reduce the size of it, and of course my nose. Because I'm not going for that full coverage cakey look, I'm going to be using the concealer just around my eyes. I'm using the Milani concealer in 145, and I'm going to blend it out. I'm just using it to conceal my dark circles. And then using the Airspun Translucent Loose Powder, I'm only going to set in areas where I feel like my foundation or concealer might crease. I'm not setting the entire face because I don't want it to look cakey or powdery. So I'm only setting in areas where I sweat or the concealer or the foundation might crease. Today I'm going to be using a cream blush because I haven't set my entire face with powder. This is Splash Blush Sticks from Colourpop. When you're using cream-based products, make sure you're not applying it directly on a surface where you've set with powder. It'll mix with the powder and cake up. And today, because I haven't set my entire face with powder, I can comfortably use it. Next, I'm going to be filling in my brows with the Precisely My Brow from Benefit. This is in the shade 4.5. I'm going to use the spoolie to brush my hair upwards, and I'm going to only fill in the lower part of my brows to make it look more natural. And then to set my brows, I'm going to be using the Milani Brow Shaping Gel. This is a clear gel. so it doesn't add any extra color to the brows. For eye makeup, I'm going to be using the new Pixi Eye Heart palette. It's got this beautiful theme of peach going on, such lovely colors. Speaking of peach tones, I'm going to be taking this very light peach shade and I'm going to be applying it throughout my lid as well as lower lash line using a flat fluffy brush from Colourpop, and then I'm going to also blend out the edges so it looks seamless. Although very subtle, this color is extremely pigmented. Of course, Pixi makes amazing products. And then to highlight the inner corner, especially in the lower lash line, I'm using the shade Clutch. This is a highlighter from the Layers highlighting palette, again from Pixi. Going back to the eyeshadow palette, I'm taking this deep earthy color and I'm going to be using it to deepen the outer corner by drawing out a wing and almost like an eyeliner using a flat shader brush. This one is from Folklore. And I'm also going to be using the same shade to deepen the outer corner of my lower lash line. As you can see, that really elongated the eyes, and this is my new favorite way of applying an eyeliner. In my waterline, I'm using a soft metallic eye pencil. This is Milani Stay Put Liner in Gold Digger. And then I'm going to finish up with a coat of mascara as well as lashes. For mascara, I'm using the HD Volumizing Mascara from Ofra. And for lashes, I'm using Pixi from Kiss. For today's giveaway question, I want to know one thing that you're really proud of yourself. It could be an incident, it could be an event, it could be something that you've done to help somebody. So let me know in the comment section below, and good luck. For highlighter, I'm again using Clutch. This is from the Pixi palette. To complement this look, I decided to go with nude lips. First, I'm going to be applying the liquid lipstick from Pixi in Posh Nude, and I'm going to top it off with the Colourpop So Juicy Plumping Lip Gloss in Partly Rowdy. And this has clearly become my favorite nude combination. Ever since I recorded this tutorial, I've been wearing this. Using the rose setting spray from Wet n Wild once again to make sure everything is set and sealed so my makeup doesn't move and stays longer. I finished the look with side-swept hair. I call it the Bond hair. If you look at the Bond girls, they are always in side-swept hair when they go to those very classy parties. And then these earrings, I bought it from a local boutique here in San Francisco. And here is the completed look. As always, if you enjoyed watching this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. It only helps me to do better and more for you guys. And if you're new here, please take a moment to subscribe. I post new videos every Tuesdays and Thursdays. If you want to refer back to any of the products that I used, I've linked everything down below in the description box. You'll also find links to my Instagram and Facebook there. So if you're not already following me there, now is the time. And if you plan to recreate this look or any of my other looks, please tag me there. I love to come by and say hello to you guys. I love you guys so much, and I will see you soon with a brand new video. Bye guys.